Towering high above the bustling streets of Delhi stands one of India's most iconic landmarks, the Qutub Minar. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this architectural marvel has witnessed centuries of history, mystery, and transformation. But how much do we really know about this 73-meter tall minaret? Did you know that Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minaret in the world? Constructed in the early 13th century, it is a masterpiece of Indo-Islamic architecture. Its story begins with Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of the Delhi Sultanate, who commissioned its construction in 1193. However, Aibak managed to complete only the first story before his untimely death. The remaining stories were added by his successor, Iltutmish, and later Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Each level showcases a blend of architectural styles adorned with intricate carvings and verses from the Quran. These elements reflect the evolving art and craftsmanship of medieval India. Within the Qutub Minar complex, another ancient wonder stands tall, the Iron Pillar. This 7-meter high pillar, dating back to the 4th century CE, predates the Qutub Minar by almost 1,000 years. What's truly fascinating is its resistance to rust. Despite being exposed to the elements for over 1,600 years, a testament to the advanced metallurgical skills of ancient India. Qutub Minar has not been untouched by the sands of time. Over the centuries, it has endured multiple earthquakes and lightning strikes. British engineers carried out extensive repairs in the 19th century, ensuring its preservation. The minaret you see today is a result of these meticulous restoration efforts. Another intriguing aspect of the Qutub Minar is its inscriptions. Written in Arabic and Nagari script, they reveal details about its construction, renovations, and even the victories of the rulers who contributed to its legacy. Today, the Qutub Minar stands as a symbol of cultural synthesis. It attracts millions of visitors every year who marvel at its grandeur and the rich history it represents. From students of history to architecture enthusiasts, the Minar continues to inspire awe and curiosity. So the next time you visit Delhi, make sure to explore the Qutub Minar and uncover the stories hidden within its majestic walls. Every stone here has a tale to tell, a tale of ambition, artistry, and resilience. Like this video? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from history.